Hey guys, welcome to IndusCore Tech. In this video, I just show you one project that I made. It's about face recognition, so it's more like oriented biometrics. So what I did, I took some picture. So here we have Barack Obama, Brad Pitt, Nikola Tesla, Michael Jackson, and me. So what I did, I created a folder that contained these images, and then I used a model called DeepFace. And what does this model do? It will uh, create vectors and will compare your image in real time with the image that you put inside the folder, and it will create this folder card picker that will stock the vectors of these images, and he will compare the data stocked here with the image in real time. Okay, so for example, this is me now. Actually, you can see that it will compare the image of me before with the me of now. So you can see that it's quite powerful because it's quite high. It's more than the 80%. But you could see that if I put my glass, the accuracy will drop to 75 to 8. Okay, so the more I will add objects in my face, I will cover it up, so the accuracy will drop. But there is a threshold that you can adjust so that it will be like more extreme, where he will compare like exactly the vectors, the points, and you should like how to say it, like be similar to the image or not. Okay, so before that I will show you here. So this is Denzel Washington. You could see that because I don't have images of Denzel Washington, it will like tell me that it's unknown. Okay, and when I try to like adjust my threshold and make it low, it will be like compared to Barack Obama. So here you can see that it's 46, 47, and if I just adjust by a little of the threshold and we put it a little low, they will detect me that this image will be similar to the image of Barack Obama. So here it's the image of Brad Pitt that I trained, and I took it here. So you can see that the accuracy is quite high. So I took an old picture of Brad Pitt with a long hair. You can see that it dropped to 70%, 75, but it's quite good. It's quite still like okay. Here we have the same image of Nikola Tesla. You can see that it will be high. Then Michael Jackson. Here it's an old picture of Michael Jackson when he was a little young, sorry, and you can see that the hair are dropping, so that's why it's quite complicated for the model to detect it. Here it's like old picture of it, so here 70%. And here you can see that the model has difficulties to detect it because there is the hairs in the face that cover the eyes and the mouth. Here it's the same image of Barack Obama that I use for train the model, like to create the vectors. Sorry, not train the model. Here it's a picture of Barack Obama by this at the side, so not face to face. You can see that it's detected, and here so it's a picture of Barack Obama. So you can see that the model is quite powerful, and here it didn't detect me. Yeah, here it's okay. So just to say that that's my project that I'm working with. So now I will try to work on the anti-spoofing, so it can detect the image if it's a real image in real time or it's just an image from a phone, because like when you work in for the security, you need to be sure that the person that with the camera detect is a real person, not just an image from a phone or I don't know. So I will try to create some movement, track movement, like they do in the when you subscribe or you register your name in a bank, when they tell you to like move your face from the left to the right, or maybe I will work on the recognition of the eyes. If it will flip, like it will close and open, I will see what will work the most and what is like more easy to input. Uh, that's all for me. So tell me if you're interested, and I will make video on it. So yeah, see you next time, and assalamu alaikum, and thank you.